Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on a POCO C61. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on System. Now you have to scroll down and click on Reset Options, and then click on Erase All Data Factory Reset. And then click on Erase All Data again and click OK. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern and then click on Erase All Data. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.